carnival?
Yeah, I see. Daddy! Mommy!
Yeah.
Dada! Spinning wheel! Spinning wheel! I see the Ferris wheel, Mommy!
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah!
It's raining. We'll go home now.
We have to go home early because it's raining.
No,
Go home now.
no, Dad.
It's raining. Nakapag-park ka na.
Yeah.
Wow, let's take a swim! Let's definitely want to go. Wow! I gotta go! Wow! Hey, Dad!
Pinakain mo mga sumusunod. Bakit hindi sila?
Right!
Yeah. Dito, dito. Ella, look, Ferris wheel. You wanna ride there? Huh?
Wow, that's a big wheel, Ferris wheel, Daddy. See that?
Pwede na kaya siya?
Look.
Ella, kami. Show the gentleman your wristband, ha, Bella? Oh, we wait our turn.
Okay, let's go home
Let's go
now.
home na.
No. Wow.
Just kidding.
Ano? Ano pala yun?
Takot din si Daddy.
Oh, on the top. Are you scared? Let's go home na. Are you scared?
Is it fun? Ay, Bella, you wanna ride in the helicopter? Ayun o, Charlie chair. Ay, Charlie chopper. Ano?
May motor, may truck.
Yeah.
Ganda lang yung ticket niya. Kami solo yata. Oh, tabi niyo yung ano natin.
Mabigat kayo, bro.
Dapat dito ka eh.
Let's find pull-ups.
I got that our house.
Are you scared, Bella?
Oh, dapat sumandal ka dyan para pantay. Ayun. Oh, pantay na.
What's your mommy? Outside.
Hold tight.
Daw.
Okay, babe.
Yun ang nakakatakot yung sa skate. Yun yung sa taas.
Oh, love!
You shout. Hey! We're going up. Are you happy? Oh, let's go home na.
Oh, love! Nasusukan na ako. Ito pala, nasusukan na ako.
Mababa nga ako eh.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya.
We got all the friendly.
Are you happy, Bella? We're going up again.
Grabe yung smile niya.
Are you scared?
Uwi na tayo?
No, I see the hotel.
The hotel.
Hi, hotel. Hi, hotel.
You see our house? We're going up and down.
Up again. Hello. How much are we from?
glug, glug, glug. Ito. Itong bantay, parang tinatamad na. Parang napipilitan na siya. Hi, Bella! I miss you, bebe.
An airplane ticket.
Airplane ticket? For where? Where are you going?
Airplane.
Airplane? Going where?
There's no...
Patay tayo dyan. What's that?
Mommy,
Hmm.
what's your ticket over here?
Ticket going to?
To the airplane.
To the airplane? Where are we going?
You go to the airport and see Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, you go to the flight. Go fly.
Okay, mommy needs to work.
Yeah.
Okay, what about that?
Now,
Where are we going then?
we go to the airport in Bowser Disneyland.
Disneyland. Okay, baby koi. Mommy needs to work a lot.
No, Mommy's slowly.
Mommy works slowly. And then mommy will buy Disneyland ticket for my Bella. Ha, baby? I love you, baby koi.
Oh.
You know what to do? You tell daddy Happy Father's Day then. Okay? Okay, babe. Ready? One. Go, give it to dad. Give it to dad. Come on.
Happy Thursday, Daddy. Happy Thursday, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
Wow!
Yeah,
What's this one?
that's Bell at the school.
You make it in the school?
Yeah.
Wow! Thank you.
Daddy.
Study.
Wow.
I
Wow.
got something.
What are you gonna say to dad?
Thank you. We have a
No, you say I love you.
I love you.
Did you make this one?
Yeah.
What does it say? Can you read your message to dad? Read what's in there.
It's my dad loves to turn at base.
Ana? Again, read again.
Dad is what he's
I
trying.
love you.
Dad,
To
What's
the
your message
moon
to
and
daddy? What do you want to say to dad?
I love you.
What else? What's your request?
My basket.
Hmm?
But
back. What do you want?
I want basketball.
Sa'yo.